Everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm going to explain you in this tutorial about how import data with different library like numpy and pandas, and how to load it and how to work to pre-process it. First of all, I'm gonna show you how to convert the nominal datasets to ordinal datasets, which means how to change categorical datasets to the numbers and ordinal to be digit. So sometimes we have to work with digits to have an operation on datasets. So we have to change the strings to digits. So I'm going to explain what is this and which is this operation means one hot encoding. So then I'm going to also work with datasets and one hot encoding manually. So first of all, I choose the data bank marketing datasets, which is appropriate for my purpose. So if you come see age is digit, job is different, that means technical services. Marital status is married, single, divorced. So we will see, for example, in this section 0, 1, 2, for example, for married 0, for single 2, and for divorced 3 number. Education level. So we will turn all of the strings to the digits. So you can download it, and after that load it in the Python. So I have downloaded. So I'm going to first of all import numpy. Then I'm going to load the datasets for you. So first of all, I'm gonna copy the address. Here is the address that exists here. I'm going to paste it, and I'm going to write the bank CSV. Then I'm going to load it. If I want to load it right now, you will see here bank. You will see the not found, so we have to write here rare. So we will write it so you could not convert a string to float. So we have to here write the type objects to load it. So it is loaded, and if we come here and see the data set, so we will see it is kind of confusing thing. So we have to turn it to the matrix. So we have to write here is written, if you see, delimiter. So we have to separate it with this, and we will do it again, and we will see dataset here. So you will see here we have matrix, a little bit good thing. So the D type is object. So so you see here we start with a job, marital, education, default. So I'm going to start with 59. We not started with 8, so we have to write here skip row with 0 and run it again. And we will see if it 1, sorry, it should be 1. Yeah, so run. So it started with we haven't any clone here, so we instead that we have 0 clone, 1, 2, 3 clone. So I'm going to, as it obvious here, we have 8 unknown in the 8 column unknown columns, and in the 15 also is unknown. So we are going to first delete that, and we will see what's happening. So first we are going to delete that. So dataset is equal to np delete. Yeah, and we are going to datasets, which column is 8 and 5. I guess it should be 15. 8 and 15. 15. And axis should be from column. If we write here 0, it would be the rows, but we're going to just delete the columns. So here, if we look at we will see that we have an unknowns, and we are going to. So in the next, as I told you, I'm going to use the Manhattan encoding. So from scikit-learn pre-processing, we are import label encoder. Then we will call LE label encoder. Then we are going to change, as I told at the beginning of the, we are going to change all of the categorical to the ordinal data sets. So which column should be changed? So we are going to for from column in which should be changed. I guess it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 9, 14 should be changed. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 9, 9, and 14, 14, and that's it. So we are going to, in this column, we are going to write dataset, all of the rows and column which is mentioned here is equal LE that we already created, fit transform dataset, all of the rows and column that mentioned here. So we're going to do it. So we are going to see what's happening. If you run it, and we'll see there is no any object. So if it is marital, I guess it should be marital. First is age, second job, and marital. So you see 1, 2, 0. I guess it's for married, single, divorced, and you see it's 3 categorical that is turned to be. But in the jobs, maybe we have 7 or 8. It's 7 is also 9 also is exists. But other for example, marital, which is here, 0, 1, 2. So if we here see data sets, so you see that some of these here is string still. I mean, all of that is not changed. All of the digit also is not digit, so we have to turn it the strings to the float type. So for column in, I'm going to write all of that. Dataset, column equal to float x for x in dataset column. So we turned all of the value to dataset. So you see here data type is object. So I'm going to see that all of first, I forgot the first, should be here 0. So you will see data set. Still we have object. So I'm going to see which of them is object. So how is it possible? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. And by adding this, you will see the data set going to be t-type float 32. So I hope you have enjoyed. I'm going